Oops. Didn't mean to touch that. This is the overview of the Johnstown Flood Museum in Johnstown, Pennsylvania. Here at the basement, I'm hoping no one's down here. Ooh. There's a $20 free behind the $98.38. I wonder what's down here. This looks like some sort of sitting area. There's a 4251-20. Not sure where the fire panel would potentially be. It's a flux detector. Sorry about that, just having too much urban exploring. There's another detector up here. The Manatee building had those fire alarms. Too bad I couldn't save them. Hope nobody's in here. Here's a look up the shaft. Guess we'll go up to 3. Ooh, old phone. Classic Otis leveling. And we'll end it down one and get a cab view. Just a basic older Otis Series 1 elevator. Here's the fixtures. Here we are at 1. And there it goes, and that's it.